All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Welcome. Hope you all had a good afternoon yesterday. So here is yesterday's trades. Ended up a little under five trades for minus 25 yesterday. Um, we had a good little sell-off here. Held on to that first trade entirely too long. Again, had to get that lesson about holding on too long. Ended up getting it when we had this sell off. Well, here, let me get my drawing tools to illustrate. So we had this nice sell off here. Just got into it a little too late. It was profitable for a little bit and then turned, stayed into it all the way up to the top, and then it started reversing and got out of it about here at the bottom of this sell off here. But anyway, had other trades that helped make up for some of that and just ended up down a little bit yesterday. So, don't like having days like that, but some days are like that. But no more holding on to trades. We're going to get out of those earlier. All right, so Q closed at 746.44, currently sitting at 747.28, and looks like we have a gap play. So our gap fill and trigger will be right here at the end of the day at 746.45. I'm gonna write that down real quick. Gap 746.45. The gap fill and trigger will be a put trade if we should get down that far after the first 5 minutes. We'll take a look at that. Let's move up to real time. There we are. And let's move over to the option chain. We've got 1.22 million traded on the underlying asset in pre-market volume. And let's see, probably start at the 744 on the call side and the 750 on the put side, like that. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and call out Keith for the morning report. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, yesterday's I had three trades yesterday. First one was a loss, and two gains. Ended up 74 cents yesterday on the three trades. Um, the This morning we had mortgage applications came out um, a little better than last month, but still down some. And the ADP employment change numbers came out a little bit stronger than anticipated at 8:15. We had one of the Fed members speaking at 9 o'clock today. And announcement wise, we'll have two composite GMI numbers coming out at PMI numbers, that is, come out at 9:45. And then we'll have some factory and ISM numbers coming out at 10 o'clock today. And then this afternoon at 2 o'clock is the Fed's Beige Book report that comes out. It's a bit of a minor report, but comes out at 2 this afternoon. And I'll still be trading the 18th of June expiration today on any new positions that come out. And I think that's all I have at the moment.
Okay, and you're out of all your puts at this point?
No, still got that one put. I tried to get out late yesterday, and I should have gotten out earlier in the day when it was up top. But again, I thought it was going to sell off some more, and it just didn't do it. So
Yeah.
still, I actually just have one contract left to try to get out today.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
All right, here we go in five, four, three, two, one, and we are off. We're in and we're off.
Yeah.
Okay. Got the broader indices in quickly. Dow is down 301. NASDAQ is down 1, now down 10, 12, 2. S&P is down 10. So, and NAS just went positive, just kind of bouncing around between positive and negative.
Boy, I'd like to have been able to get out of that trade overnight with the market close because it had dropped quite a bit in late in the evening, but
Mm-hmm.
market was closed and it's since rebounded after that.
Yep.
But that's another thing that yeah, let's not hang on to these things overnight.
Yeah. Yeah. We just never know. Got price trying to rise here a little bit. Bring my 100,000 line in view here. And price is still trying to climb here a bit. It's hit a new high of 748.50. Boy, we're going through the 700 quickly. Price coming back down now. Trying to anyway. Price just kind of pausing here. Trying to push down a little bit. We're going through a VWAP. NAS has gone negative again. Price continuing down. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll be at the 749 on the put side.
Trying to fill the gap there.
Yep. All right. 749. Fill the gap. Looking at a put trade here at the 749. I'm going to enter this 749 and I filled at 430.
It did put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Yeah, this is running out of steam here. Stand by to get out of this. I'm gonna get out of this trade. Got out at 436. Just concerned about it turning here. After yesterday's drubbing on that first put, I'm a little shy today. I'll flip over to the call side to the 743 on the call side. I'm going to enter the 743. Stand by to take some profit here. I'm going to take some profit here real quick. Out at 483, 464 to 483. I'm going to go back to the put side to the 749 on the put side. We've got a demand zone we can put in. Stand by on this 749 on the put side. Yeah, it's bouncing all over the place. Got price declining here, pushing down. Let's see. Looking at the 748 now on the put side. 748 strike put. I'm going to enter the 748. All right. I'm in at 483.
Minute 1406.
Oh, no, I'm not in. Excuse me. I did not get filled on that. I thought that was my bring. Let's try that again. The 747. I'm going to enter the 747. Got in that time, 433.
I got in at the 748 put, but for the June 18th expiration for 1406.
Okay. And I just took profit there, 482, 433 to 482.
I'm going to try to take some profit if it's going to jump up a little. Oh, did that jump down and filled?
Well, there you
Okay,
go.
out at 1469, 1406 to 1469. And my close order for that final put trade from last Thursday finally closed and got out of that too.
Oh, okay, good deal. So you're free.
I am back to cash. Don't spend it all in one place.
Nice breakout push down that we've got here.
That report came out at 9:45. It was pretty much was anticipated, so not any big changes on that.
Mm-hmm.
Still got those other reports coming out at 10.
Price kind of stalling here. Nope, it's not. It's continuing down. And I've got to recenter my option chain, which was way out of whack there. Okay.
Yeah, that's some move down.
Boy, it sure is. See if we can get a reversal set up here. Got 5,950,000 traded on the underlying. Dow's down by 297, Nas down by 209, S&P up down by 42. Getting a little reversal going here, but getting pushed down pretty severely as well. Getting a nice hook developing on our 1 minute MACD. I'm going to head over to the 739 on the call side, 739. I'm going to move to the 740 on the call side. Price still climbing here.
I'm watching the 742 on the call side. It's just the spread between the bid and the ask on the other ones is so wide,
Hmm.
but it's pretty reasonable for this strike. A little cautious also, just the despairing um, MACDs, the 1 minute's on the call direction, but the 5, the 15, and the 30 are all in the put direction.
Hmm.
So a little cautious on that.
Yeah, price heading back down, reversing. Head back over to the put side to the 746 on the put side. Yeah, we're going to bounce around here for a bit. Okay.
Got about 3 minutes to the pop at the top here. There's going to be one.
Okay. Getting some sub 100,000 minutes here. Not too terribly below 100,000, but still below. Getting some shorter candles in. Got a new demand zone. See where the last one was. Way up there.
Oh, and did you say we were into the pop? Because
I didn't, but we just missed it.
yeah, yeah,
And it was a good pop.
yeah. I heard my ears pop.
Dow is down by 259, Nas down by 146, S&P down by 27. Price moving up. Looking at the 741 on the call side. Kind of stalling out here. Got a pretty good angle on our 5-minute MACD. At 9,277,000 traded on the underlying. Price may be in consolidation right now. Price continuing up.
I'll be back in a couple minutes, Tim.
All right. Price just hanging around in a fairly limited range here. No breakouts in a while. Price trying to break out here toward VWAP. Just can't quite get any legs under it. There it goes. All right, looking at the 742 on the call side. 742. Stand by on the 742. I'm going to enter the 742. There we go. Got in at 430. Stand by to take some profit. Yeah, it's coming down. All right, stand by to get out of this.
I'm looking at the 744 on the call side to get in. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in on this. Got in at 1433.
Okay. I'm already in this trade, in the call trade. Come on. Take some profit there. Out at 442. Just a little concerned about how this is moving. May get back into it at the 440, 743. Got back in at the 743. Stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take a little profit here. Got out at 407. It's going to head all the way up to, this should be a minor zone. I'm going to change that.
Come on, get on up there.
Right, it's heading toward VWAP.
I went ahead and took profit there. And at 1433 out at 1483.
Okay. So I've got one, two, three, four, five. I'm at one, two, three, four, five trades up about 110.
We've got two trades up $1.13. It keeps getting up to yesterday's close and bouncing back down.
Yeah.
There's better 1 minute volume candles today than I've had the last couple days.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. We got 12,194,000 traded on the underlying, but definitely better. I mean, we've got a few minutes below 100,000, but just below.
Yeah.
Dow is down 392 now, Nasdaq's down 124, S&P's down 29. And we're definitely into a consolidation phase now. That price trying to rise again. You'll excuse me for a few minutes. I'll be right back.
Trying to break out on the top side here. Got above yesterday's high, turn around, coming back down. I am watching the 745 on the call side. Again, June 18th expiration. It's right at that intermediate zone also.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, I'm watching the 745 on the call side, but we're right at yesterday's high and the intermediate zone,
Hmm.
trying to turn around, coming back.
So we're a little over an hour into the market. We got 13,067,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down by 336, Nas down by 98, S&P down by 25. Got price just right, hanging in the intermediate zone. Yep. Price in some more thin consolidation now. Heading toward VWAP. We'll see if we can cross VWAP. Reset my option chain again. If this should end up continuing down, I'll be at the 748 on the put side, but it's reversing back up rather boldly. Trying to break through the minor zone again. All right, keeping an eye on the call side at the 744. Or are we just going to go back into consolidation here? It's a doji, a little reversal off that doji.
Oh, wait, Tim, I had moved some time ago, moved the supply zone down to a real supply zone, which it's trying to get across now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, back there.
Okay. Let's activate, move it down. Got price kind of going nowhere right now. No real breakouts for a while. Dow is down by 387, Nas down by 120, S&P down by 28, with 14,440,000 traded on the underlying asset.
Yeah, we're getting a number of 1 minute volume candles below 100,000 too.
Indeed. Into more consolidation now. Price back down to VWAP. Gonna bounce off of VWAP again here, or are we gonna push through?
Yes. Guarantee one of them's going to happen.
Indeed. Keep an eye on the 747 on the put side. And price pops right back up to VWAP and through it.
Jim,
Yes, sir.
you said earlier today that you were not going to hold trades as long.
Yes.
Have you set a limit to how much of a beating you're willing to take before you get out, or just
Yes.
however it feels? What's the number?
The number is 50 cents.
Yeah.
No more than 50, but hopefully much sooner than that.
Yeah,
We
thousand
can,
dollars seems like enough to lose.
yeah, exactly.
And if
So,
you just love the trade all that much, you can still get out and then get back in it later if you just want to,
yep.
instead of taking the ride all the way down to having it down two or even $3.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Not as much fun.
But I was going to say, but what's fun in that, Larry?
Well, I'm constantly looking for fun um, in this experience, and I've decided that being down $3 is not where it's at.
Yep. Good
Fun does
point.
not reside there.
Good point.
Yeah. It, it was kind of murky to me in the beginning, but it's clear now.
Yeah.
Well,
And mine with a little bit more time, mine's probably about $1, but I'll be definitely looking at getting out if it's down 50 cents and
Yeah,
hopefully out before $1
yeah,
on mine.
more better. Tim, you're not going to actually enter that stop, though, are you?
no,
Yeah.
no, I'll just do it manually.
Yeah, those sneaky market makers are greedy when they see one laying down there like that.
Yes, they do.
Mm.
I'm convinced they see where they accumulate and go and get them and trigger them.
I'm convinced the market makers are also the one that's paid to develop the carnival game Whack-A-Mole. They see you stick your head up, they're gonna take it.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure they're all communists.
Price broken back through VWAP. Watch it pop right back up. Five-minute MACD getting close to crossing. Dow down by 363, Nas down by 170, S&P down by 34. Got 15,447,000 traded on the underlying. Okay, folks, that is going to conclude our morning session. Ended up 5 trades up 110. Very pleased with that. And
I've had 2 trades up, $1.13.
all right, very good. That's it, guys. We will see you all tomorrow morning. Have a good afternoon. Trade safely, and we'll see you in the morning.
Yep. See you, Tim. Thanks, everybody.
All right, see you, Keith.